every birthday, my mom and dad would say, you're another year older, another year wiser, but I still go to school to get an education.
Hey everybody, welcome to a little bit of Sunday's vlog. So I just did a mukbang. After that it would be the one I filmed today. So like it's a seafood mix, whatever, and then you know, I'll be filming more mukbangs, like why not. I might start uploading more than one mukbang a week again, so we'll have to see. But I was thinking maybe this week I would upload like 2 story times. So I met the Maxwell story time, and I'm probably gonna do the bridesmaid story, like my first experience in a wedding and all that stuff. So that's that. Also in this vlog you will see me dyeing my hair. That'll probably be more towards the end. Since we moved into this house, like that's how long it's been since I dyed my hair. So I'll show you the dye I'm gonna use, but you guys won't see me dye my hair till later. But I'm gonna get back to cleaning this. So this is gonna be the hair that I'm gonna use. Ignore that. But it's burgundy brown, so we will see if it takes. You know, it's level 2 base, red violet, so we'll have to see. Yeah, I messed up my mannequin head, but I got like 2 more, so I'm trying to see if this wig will take this right here, you know, just for fun to see, you know, because this is actually my first time dyeing a wig. Man. Alright, y'all, here's what I'm having for dinner, and I tried to dye that wig and it didn't work, so yeah, so when I dye my hair, hopefully it'll work. But, yeah. Hey everybody, so that is it for today's vlog. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my night, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Also, I recorded 2 story times today, and I recorded the first episode of Being Savage. Being Savage will be out Saturday. The story time will be out tomorrow, but by the time the story time's up, y'all probably already has. Good morning, everybody. It is April 27th. Oh, this perfume smells good. It's almost gone. Somebody buy me more. I'm just kidding. But this is my outfit. You know, wearing. Cause it's hot. It's gonna be hot today, so I'm wearing this. And I was gonna wear like a jean jacket or something like that. And these pants, of course, my mask, cause you got it. And I was playing around with this wig, and it kind of looks like Belle, don't it? Like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. She's like one of my favorite Disney princesses. So I'm gonna be doing homework today and all this other stuff. Just need to find a jacket. I tried to tell that to my wife. It doesn't work. Good luck with the nail polish. It costs like $6 here. Ain't that crazy? Okay. Let's see. Elf stuff. Where's really? Over here, the black people stuff. Yeah, God's gonna do my toes. They look terrible. I guess I'll use something at home. Good morning. It's April 28th. So here's the deal. We gotta talk, okay? So I filmed some mukbangs, right? Salt's back.
Okay.
And it's 99.99999% that you're my father.
Ready to go again. I know. Sue me. But when you gotta do something, you gotta do something. So, yeah, I'll see y'all. So I'm trying to get next Wednesday's mukbang back up. I got I did, but it just uploaded way too quickly. It was only a minute, but yeah, this is like a second part to like the first mukbang that y'all gonna see on Monday, or maybe I'll post them both on Monday. I might just do that. Yeah, I might just do that. So these are both going up on Monday. This is one of them. Hopefully, I like to check it first before I put it up. And this is the new editing software I'm using when I do computers on the computer. Videos on the computer, come try and do that more. Video pad, I don't know what I want to do with my channel. It's like I want to get rid of the mukbangs, just the mukbangs, because everything else could just stay on the channel. Because to me, the mukbangs are most time consuming and the less viewed. So that's why they're going to go on Instagram. But yeah. I hope y'all have a good day.
It's over now. What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Forever be my bitch. Forever be my bitch. Yes. I'm a missrosethings pizza. I got tons of cheese pizza. I'm missrosethings pizza. Your favorite cheese pizza. I don't shop at the cheese pizza. I want your whole ass for $4. 90 shrimp per pound. Ready in minutes. I might bake them. You know, because it says you can bake them 3 to 5 minutes. And I can stick it in my pasta, so it's gonna be shrimp and pasta.